So in this video I'll be showing you how I'll rather be doing a demonstration of a Google based point of sale that will allow you to run your entire business on Google Sheet servers, on Google servers rather, without having to spend a lot on hosting, basically by just using Google Sheet. So for most people, you find that how they use Google for every day is whereby they're able to use the applications that are provided by Google to send emails and watch maybe videos on YouTube, but Google can do more than that. Has some technologies that can support business learning there on their servers 24/7. You can actually manage to learn your business on their ecosystem. So small businesses will normally have a challenge with keeping track of their business related transactions as purchasing a software can be expensive, and also manual work is prone to making errors and forgetting. But with a solution that is efficient and also affordable, this can be solved by a solution like a Google Sheet based point of sale, whereby it will eliminate the use of manual logs that lead to leakage. So a full POS which is built on Google Sheets, which has zero overhead costs, can be of a benefit to your business, especially if you are a small scale business that does not have the finances for purchasing an enterprise software with a monthly subscription that you'll be required to be paying for every now and then, which can result to being expensive and limit the resources that you have. So this tool can effectively be able to track sales, can also be able to get the levels of inventory in your store, and you are alerted when the inventory gets low. This can be very helpful, and also we have automated reports. You can be able to get reports about sales and the profits. So why use the Google infrastructure? First, you have no overhead costs, so no server setup and a monthly hosting fee, and plus you get a real-time synchronization anywhere you are, and an infinite and flexible customization. Since this is Sheets, you are able to access the information from the sheet, and you can be able to make some adjustment without necessarily hiring a dev. Most of the people are able to make use of a sheet. It's not that hard. So it is perfect for retailers, wholesalers, people who are dealing with physical products that are being sold to their customers. Also, it is good for service provider, people offering services like salon, gym, those people who need to handle transaction and billing of their customers. They can as well as benefit from this, as it is easy to set up and very easy to follow along with. Okay, so if you are ready to upgrade, or you would like to see how this solution would work, okay, so you can subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll be dropping videos like this, and also stick around so that I get to demonstrate the demo for you. Okay, now so Yes, the demo. So I'll be beginning by putting on my credentials to the application, and then we can log in. Here you're able to see the dashboard. You can see today's sales and some charts showing some details. And then we can see a point of sale. So this will be a point of sale. This is how it looks like. Products on this end, and then you can have the cart section on the other end. You'll see that when I select items, they can be added on the other end. Remember, this is running on AppScript inside of Google Sheet, so you don't need to pay for any monthly subscriptions. So I'm going to select some items, and then I'll go ahead and check out. And you can see now this one is the payment model. It has 4 different options for payments. It has a cash option whereby you can fill the amount you have received, and also has an M-Pesa section whereby you are able to do an STK push to a customer, and then the customer can complete the payment, and then it is recorded automatically. And also we have a split payment whereby a customer can pay with more than one method, can use cash and M-Pesa, or if he wants to purchase on credit, then you can pay later, you can use the credit option. Then you'll note that when we are using the cash payment, can get to fill the amount I've received, then the change is automatically calculated, making it easy, no need to use a calculator. So that's how it works. Then we can now complete the sale. So you can see it will be processing, and immediately we get a receipt that we can print and to give it to our customer. So this is straightforward. There you have it. I can actually print this by simply clicking on the print button, and then you'll be able to see the receipt popping at the end of there. You have it, that's the receipt, allowing you to print it and give it to the customer. Then now let's look at the products. So this way you get to add your products, and then you're able to set prices for your product. As you can see from here, you can see a list of products that you have, their status. There are those who are on stock, and then those who are actually low stock. That means you need to restock. And then you can also see here we have a model to allow you to edit the products, the price, quantity, and category. All of those you're able to edit from here easily. Once you're done, just click on update. Once the update is complete, you can see a notification there, and the changes will be applied to the product immediately. You can also add a new product from here. So straightforward and very simple to use. Then you also have categories, whereby you can be able to add categories to categorize your products according to whatever category that you're working on or you're using for your products. It's also very straightforward. Can just add it from here. Then also we have stock movement. The stock movement allows you to actually monitor how stock has been moving out of your business. Okay, you will be able to get a full audit of all the movement of stock. Then we have a sales history. Which is from the POS, and also you can view all the sales made, and also you can print receipt from here just in case a customer requests for a receipt. You can print them again. Very straightforward and very easy to use also from here. And then also we have units, whereby you get to set the units for the products that you are selling. A very simple kgs, liters, whatever that is the unit that you would like to use. It is easy, just add it up there. Then you have the settings here, and set the tax rates, and also you can see the M-Pesa configuration here. So if you, in case you just need it customized much better to fit your needs, you can also always feel free to reach out. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Thank you for your time.